Senior.
Bibi aboko je.
Bibi aboko nyame adom na so.
Celebrity doctor.
Me follow. They said the wife and so me ban or say me am family home. So that I'll match that whole fair way no.
Oh yeah. Na bibi aboko je.
Nyame adom na so.
Adom. I had there Adom Didie ni patapa. Me producer ne kan o say am kan sa. Na ye ho ye din say nyame asem.
Amen.
Na say nyankopon odo ye sifa ne ye dwene ho a ye ntiase so a ye nwene ho enti no wa betom ide ye de sa do na ene wo behwe abom awie enti ye mo akwa na amamre bi ofie ha. Say wo pass a Come you better aso.
Hey.
Aye.
It's me failure. That ending interview. My boka.
The door is your front.
That's what.
Seriously.
Also can some proud. Don't me know what here. No come some chibi.
Yes, I tie for make us a message obi o. Hey. I am person me tie for na ye. I'm
in trouble.
I am person. Me ma pray and I just say my bias. We are my sister dear but now was him to ma be face. Aye. I'm in country on your way.
Okay.
Obebo some delight. Utumi born say na me born na nkomo ne yeto aso.
Okay. Some delight.
No. Anyway, I think me sure be fail you. I know be fail so far.
Oh yeah.
Ain't Dr. Raja
mama. Then I'm model chairman so my chocolates. Producer my chocolates as I be free.
Listen, celebrity doctor way. Interview no ever done it. Anyway, since ye ma wakwa ba ye wakwa. Mama chere tie for baby a wo free na enye kama. Ai enti me pa cho. And then I would say Dr. Irajwa Nunu said I'm a public health physician specialist and a health advocate. No, 37 military hospital. I not mini no a back with friend. Dwala. Hold on, no one after about 37. But then you know, Boma
military. You are still in the Ghana forces.
Okay. And tia nano obesra and yet bibia enti but or the apomuden komo enebreye or nini nuanum bi ne bai but omusi omo yomu cha nyina so ano enti ye chiomu amehwe mu dina mchiomu na obi ante se mu wa heavy na che se mo decide se mu jade na ma Dr. Rajwa enti Madam Jigbodi Kailamte ewa ha ena Mr. Kweku Bubuama. Okay, Metro
public health officers.
Oh, we are public health officers. All right.
Yeah, the mama.
Hey, Omunka hubi.
And yes, your mama fans. The faces have to show small. Omunka sabadi ade.
Omunka. Enti yama munyina kwa ba na ahade boko muna mumbo yemu.
You, but sure. Now, yeah, pay everybody listening, all the listeners out there. Me frabo for the training. Kakra says I'm playing in land enti. But for the day, me basa. But me study. Kakra I'm the trainer after. Enti, what say the World Hepatitis Day.
Okay.
About on the 28th of July. That's next week Tuesday.
Oh.
And I Ghana Armed Forces Health Services. No.
Okay.
Yeah, organize it. That's a military public health division. They organize it free hepatitis B screening for individuals.
Wow.
And not just those who are soldiers and it's open to the public.
I see.
It's a better program no Garrison Methodist Presby Church.
Okay.
On 28th of July.
Okay.
It starts at 9 o'clock throughout the whole day.
Wow.
2.5 3
Wow.
Inti my afa ho ansa na makọ adwuma na say ube traffic akra say o check status aba na wasa aba dia.
Okay.
Inti no plan e wo ho no.
No na e koso. I see. Inti I don't know where him Bema camp.
I know Bema camp.
Inside
one. Yeah, sorry Bema camp.
Okay.
The friend the Garrison Methodist Presby Church.
Okay.
Inti the signboard ne mabasi so to be guide do. Who do get anu so na obisa. So there's no more on my trouble baby.
I see.
Mama obia yem hwehwe no mama munsu Bema camp baby are friendly. E amote say yeah soldier for ho na yem hwehwe mo say eh me kwa bia na ya shoot me na baby don't worry. We're open. Any program you see they obia bet marry mo.
I see. Enti why now obetumi aba?
Okay, it's open to obia penny for and nkola above 10 years old.
Okay.
Me aba check my status.
Okay.
Nti everybody once you don't know the status but na be check it. And be advice say oba na you check him out na negative. Now you advice so say be what pan no where you home your vaccination center or public health division now.
Enu ye tua na free.
Enu de obetua. Be 45 cedis. But screening there free. Into bet my be test no who status no.
Oh, what's the pan any eye?
45 cedis. The bonded the bonded the and for one shot we be here 3.
3. Okay. Okay.
We be one for a duration of 6 months until who can be throw that be the next one sana be and I be protect for life. We just 20 year I be protect. But me meje ba ko na ka say oh me babia na be there be no there na say the whole thing. Oh there be. Also come be me be lazy to take complete of them out. I was so complete. Start here. Obi so be man na male draw. Oba no one day no turn now no. The same with antibiotics here. Yeah, I drove fire it me a drink kakra. And I be very free. If you say I'm out date but I be what the next dose 1 month time. Now really feel now I'm back. It's no nya ka home.
It's way on Tuesday.
It's way Tuesday.
And I'm screening no.
Screening no.
Now if more recommend so be negative. More recommend step brother be what.
So a positive is one I link you to KO hepatitis B clinic I run it your home. Dr. Nia couldn't run this clinic no. It's no so be show. The be overall in my name man confirmatory test na who say am pampa o ye hebia. Is it acute and chronic? Who the way be manage
na cheche mu kakra into hepatitis B and then na ya be mo we hu say e bia na bibi sa wo me ho.
Okay. Into hepatitis B no. In fact hepatitis nankasa no you A B C D E. You 5 subtypes most common. But in Ghana no B ni C na ta high pa. It's a hepatitis is inflammation of the liver. It's liver no they treat the press say okay, see, assuming say into winning liver tree 90 inflammation like be a liver now no. And I can say because of various bet my virus, bet my in nom, bet my toxins, and I draw be one nom, and I be autoimmune disease. And no bet my cause hepatitis no, but I focus no a viral one no. Internet being caused by M1 no virus no, and I cause hepatitis B and C no. Now globally no, about millions, about almost 100 million people, was Sayare no, and now the bag Ghana, the chronic Hep B no, we find 400 be 8 to 12. Was Sayare internet so public health importance in my no, so much noise about it you know, and Hep B ne see no. Contaminated through sexual intercourse, a bit of blood transfusion, intravenous we know like heroin is an we say drug addicts no. Okay. So yeah, almost that high so more they just share things with each other. We use razor blades together, toothbrushes, towels, so some more presents and all those things that tend to share those type of things, you know. And I say okay, you tea. Barbering shop, man sterilize some instruments, hairdressers, and they can all cause hepatitis B. Those are the causes of hepatitis B. Now, how will you know say what's higher any B? Most of the time, no, it shouldn't show symptoms. You find it asymptomatic. Okay. But sometimes too, you may see symptoms, and the symptoms are quite similar to a B when you're malaria and nabi because possible oh yeah, oh fever. It's one year careful because malaria treating malaria and call that. This are bad pants and will say be we know after yellow why jaundice skin yellow and we drink some more to say dark black person may bob brandy but so I drink any no that kind of color no be black sabo if you carbon say na white to say a table so now she lays a color no be no now see those are a few things that you can look out for. Minimum abdominal pain. So those are the main symptoms for the B and the C. Through contaminated food and water, like the way I would be now cholerator for this animal. Into any in a through Sawino. Now, upon any day, A and B. Vaccines are me okay. But I can't any vaccination. It's also you're careful. But one thing about C is say who tested for a Hep C? Now you share moja no say Hep C. Now you ma do na echo.
Okay.
And no instantly it's treatable. But with being no, we are chronic beer. We no me doing it every month, every day beer. Like they were no BP draw total.
Okay.
That's the only yes we know about being in scene.
I see. And you say Tuesday. Yeah, Rambe screen in the year share your status.
Yeah, who is status? You, it's a Garrison Methodist Presby Church.
Okay.
Bema Camp inside. 9 o'clock to bed to 2 p.m. area. And they're free.
Today I'm more extended.
Extended, you are saying. Well, depend on the numbers, no. You can always extend. I know they hate me in Paminko for.
Because we say, we home back where you
but besides that, so from now going to the end of the month, we better about 37 Military Hospital Lancaster. Okay. We'll be for public health division. So by screening and so you don't have to wait. I don't see a free or okay. So you don't have to wait. Say about Tuesday, yeah, and Sunday. Just that Tuesday, Lancaster, the main program, my bay health. Talking to animal.
Some about health talk be
yes, my invite told that because I think so about for breast cancer, do you know? Yes, for try. Amen.
And Tuesday, no, I am finding a way to Bema Camp. Methodist Presby.
Yes, Methodist Presby. Okay. It was supplied by stop on the chain. 2 room one or be soldier for poor gates and okay, no, but no test it. No, test it. Because if you call so we check it to be sure. And one thing about it, say with the hair being in Hep C, no say, one share yeah, I bet me amount other complications. It's a liver cirrhosis and a liver cancer. The liver cancer no put the West. And because I want from Bantam, no, it be a spread it then just a few more years and then you go just like that. And see hepatitis B in this scene, there was a baby I find it serious. And I'm advised. I say a man is one thing. It's also very, very important because we can also transmit it or buy infected. I was me a man baby no. So I will say Obabia or share your phone or call through antenatal is free. Because antenatal care be screen ya check it. So was I any beer. You be wakasa pani. Obanu so buy be one the pani so that when ya when it be. But say one corner one check here. Now we are infected. Who the bema obano? So quite important.
Okay. And the baby check it. Hey, na number be how many betu dana in case of be bano or pursue friend number be na bibi wo hosa public health for moto free number be wo ho ye betumi afre na say social media handles be wo ho mumma ye hu na eja inki emfa enmati for. So what about my actually so near Bohun de Rose or Yebe or some party lights there? You delight your listeners in if I some pie in general, no, your junior listeners and to be a papa beer at the bedroom. But Ebusia me and Connie and Kochek on Tuesday 28th, I said 9 to 2 no see or the Rebecca home.
It's me the pearl number, Mama. About say in case you reach out for direction now BB. The number here is 024 414 9641. It's here in additional information but now reach out to her.
Okay, but
okay, 024 414 9641.
Okay.
And I'm also my social media handles. You can reach out to me easily. I'm Dr. Ra on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. I'm there. TikTok crime hobby.
Dr. Ra, very simple. Now they run EWURA. It's Dr. Ira. Oh, and social media. Doc, that's say. I mean, only as they say, bray listeners. Into your beba. Near be check your status near to me a treat. Say, be a one touch man. Now say, I won't touch my boy. Near be able to me stay negative at all times. Sitting, I mean,
amen.
Now, shall colleagues are on your mobile. So, what final ways be a bit media tuja. Abra, ye be jam coin.
For sure. It's a make us member, I'm for through some rabbi my camp, my bay, I check almost status no, and that's a better assembly trust. I check them out. Free, open to obia the public. So if you feel say winning most status, person be check here. Portrait bet my room be check it. E be ama.
Mate. In 37 there na a time be.
And also started at the pub 7:30. Now ended to say 1:32. The working hours now any day. Except weekends pay.
Except weekends. But Tuesday there
is special one.
Oh be a specialist ni na
ba ba who say I'm for be na nya easy. So I want him dey ba me
I know. Celebrity doctor.
All the surprises and the goodies and everything. They're waiting for him to cut off. Mumbra.
Any chop.
Yes, that chop. They're very necessary. I invite two ladies to some mama.
Why? When gospel music, omobeti. In fact, some petty phone na tina. Mijidi say. Omude asama waken omagina asopam no mbeba yebeba be check ni ama ebe ndem bisi apom de no edu nmire bia ho twi ho na otwi nsa na ose menko otwi na na ose menko just because you didn't take good care of it. Enti mo yen hwe yapomudin yie na emwa yen enti ni Dr. Rajwa no ye dase na anti jigbodi yedase brakweku yedase ati jibodi ni brakweku amwankasa
o me back vocalist don't worry
enti yebeda wase na Tuesday munhwe yenim ti yebeba na yenemu abeye dwumadie no fe nyame onhwa
amen
Jesus can make me so wonders. Jesus can do so wonders. Jesus can do so wonders. Jesus can do so wonders. Jesus can do. Oh, he butter my bread and he sugar my cocoa. So wonders. Jesus can do. Oh, he butter my bread and he sugar my tea. Oh, so wonders. Jesus can do.
encourage him say Tuesday ye nyina yenko bema camp or say Presby Methodist I garrison ho no do get na no aka so hwe Presby Methodist ye be kire na ka say free health screening no I na me sire but modi akọ check your status because ehun hia odi ba go pe
international woman akope no size.
Auntie Adwa say Auntie Adwa madam mo akwaba say no o ma ye fe o
some me say the course nyina
what you saying
oh but ya nya bibia o echi o ye ne kama me bo
ya nya bibia o ni ti se na me ni ya mo ye o mechi no nya sa na ye
Manson.
Messi.
Odika.
Manson.
Maybe on it is answer Odika because I know you're trying your poor man.
Simple.
Oh, baby, come on.
We are be say now like mama can edman ho kra.
So me adjust. Me boha squarely.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keke asem ni kan.
Rebi on I eti for kwan na
I hear now obedi.
Sir. You be bill abre no.
Mo famra. Me do need me
You know say money no be problem.
You know that.
You know.
I'm a showstopper.
I see you don't name no.
Hey, I see. Okay. Any. Magiatum. Na eneno. Okay, yeda anti adwase. Na if anti akoso na meko boni dinam say anti adwa eneno. Oh, me ba ye na me ni agese na me hu. Hey, enye easy o. Shada. Hish. Me see me ti na warehouse ti me hu ameka. Anti akoso am chia o baby awo bia. Why kiko ni nyina. Yeda ase for akwanya na odi amaye no so. Yen fam be delight listeners. Eh hwan na ye gumasum. Ai, so aka share we ti na nya wa house o. Ai kesi. No, wouldn't tell them ya dey asem.
Abena international.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, hu akwa ba yenkwe. Sompa delight.
Ane, na Sompa delight.
Sompa delight.
No, and then
su.
Ya friend say ayo dewu.
Oh, person be ja tum say na o ye no. Apa ne de no.
No ye no. Apa me de ho a. Me de sa apa ho. Because that is my impact.
Hey, so when it was in the papa.
Me. Obi enu a obebe me a. Me hwehwe say sa nipa ko no ombra anda me anonya se me. Exactly. That is my impact.
I thought that na voice di mwanda ho. I thought that so na ayes on style.
Only me na me dey.
Bibia be fine. I dey to say honor. Oh, and then buy pay. Intiti I'm looking forward to. Yeah.
No problem.
Anyway,
oh, you know, so can say RM dey call.
Ish.
Oh, you know, so can say RM dey call.
Ish. Nenye easy o. Enu area no. Ish.
Or the torso.
Me say what the car.
Oh, me
Come on. Enti yema etiefu akwa ababio. Me no. Ne was say ye invert. You know, sequence no, because now you per se military for you. Omu be bomb derry no muvie na fe ye trust. Until fe near the word of the day. Vocabs corner. Ebrete for. Inti, are you ready?
We are ready.
Very ready.
Any na.
Day.
Any na. Bag. No, ebi dey see form and no say na me no ti odi see form sa wo ze na so san ye me no ti odi see form sa wo ze na so san ye aye kama enti the word for today amorphous enti ba me fa spelling nimbra amorphous 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 nti ye hwehwe ne fa meaning ne metifo
okay amorphous or say it means lacking a definite form, shape or clear structure. It's derived from the Greek word amorphous, meaning shapeless. It can refer to physical objects, scientific materials, or even abstract concepts like plans and organizations. So anything that lacks form or shape or a clear structure can be termed as amorphous.
Okay.
Indeed.
Yebenya sentence bi afa ho amete for ana. Enti we no ase enenam say the nebulous ebaye. Enenam nebulous line. Aha, enti amorphous enenam nebulous. Yeah, enti we lack structure. O say nebulous no vague, yes. Enti no we no as a nebulous as a clear. Who can dey insisi so. We no more of structure, any structure.
Yeah.
Amorphous. Enti ye hwese benya sentence bi a ye be use mama etiefo ehun senia etie anapo how it is used. So also common applications of the term. So in terms of physical and figurative, no, it describes something shapeless or unorganized. Example, no, you might describe a vague floating cloud or a disorganized, loosely structured political movement. Aha, inti bia nkofo bi ate ejuma aban yoku obi but hu so ye
meeting
exactly uno waka asem no inti I say eno no ya amorphous na ye ready budget there ye bomb say enya amorphous budget well structured. Oh, we did say papa. Papa, you're looking forward to that too.
I think there are some sentences that say her ideas were still amorphous and unformed.
Okay. Because and nebulous, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
The constant hacks have left us all with an amorphous sense of dread. Let's see.
But a serious one.
Yeah. The constant hacks.
So it's got to do with the IT. That will be.
Have left us
system. No, ya hackia ma failure. Just say, how to structure
exactly.
Yeah.
So we say the company's amorphous plan caused confusion among the new employees.
Okay. They say you huni tin huni nine. Yeah. Assembly omude abaye huso. Into amorphous.
Yeah. The writer presented an amorphous draft that lacked a clear plot.
Enti ebusuya for amorphous is the word. Yeah, the nebulous by now two other words there. Munkai mi na menkai mo. Incarcerate. Okay, and the other one was.
Yeah, man, just feel free.
Oh, but feel free. Abra, feel free. No, na yem prepare nko konkonsa kwan so na ye hunu na and budget na bo more expectations mon ka bi nchire me.
Budget.
Bibia be fine.
I mean, it's not like whatever we are going to hear today we've not heard before. Bibia ni ho a ebeye new from it, you know. As usual, you can brofunu bubumua na yeko. But I think if there's something Ghanaians are looking forward to, they don't want to hear any additional the tax for ban ye say at least let's almost per se free omo mind from sa time no mo share ye one, but as usual. One. Ebeke
kako kaka.
Say kobo two.
Ebeke kako kaka.
Exactly.
Say omo prepare.
We dey shada nye gidigidi bia sa so exactly.
Budget I am ready budget from Titina one common problem.
Okay.
Anything. Near GDP percentage inflation. Me and combat here. Mama the Ghanaian like nipa wo form no Ghana ni a wo form kra na nti asese cause inflation akọ by 7%, 10%, 15% say ne pese e kire ne nti because what percentage na like understanding be anywhere. You say 10%, 7%, 20%, 10 minus plus 5. Yenti asiye. Inti ebeya omuntimi emma nemu naro nema down. Na yentimi enti asiye. And yes, they think that they are communicating, but they are not communicating to the whole Ghanaian populace. Just a group of people.
But certainly, no, it's a group of people they are talking to. It's not Obia.
Yes.
And Untina, Saya no Muria in Chechiremu Ebe Kosono. And wherever you are, also, so, I mean, if we expertise womuna who international uncle for I think no be breaking debut into no back can senior and a senior betia kasana na fe no ye break it down ma various sectors at
into one responsibility so break it down to the common Ghanaian.
So we can set up a BB finance ministry if they will listen to this as a need. And nothing that ministers or community leaders were near the end to be a beson or Srenia Basa. No,
down. It's not done.
It's not done, but I'm saying that we can't have a finance minister come to stand there to break things down for the common member. No, it can't happen. That's what I'm trying to say. So it is not their work, really. It is not. Oh no, but focus be no. Who the NSA? Nia wakano nia efane hono. I mean say sikebi na yaka say ye di sikebi to hama a group of people be a sa sector no and then also mu so mu chire omu nkrofo mu say we anyway say yaka say creative arts fund omu de sika say ebetum okan ya na nsi yo enti na yen from ministry no to agencies na was say yetumi chire mu say ni yetwe baby because at the end of the day yachiche mu na yesi say na eba no them mayo is on paper.
Yes.
It's on paper. Inti afekra no mu be hwehwe sika no omambo because in pempi ni nyese sika no wo ho ne ye che.
Yeah.
There be o. Eye any swade hunu any daso.
Yeah.
Inti ni ye hwehwe aba. Kakra bi na be hu say wo ho na ye che but really no dodo na we na ye need that so epese ye.
Yeah, but my more shocking revelation. China. And our partial countries are more kasa. And they most of the things on here. China. They explain everything in Chinese to the common Chinese person.
So the finance minister comes to stand there to explain.
No, in their local language, in Chinese, you know.
No, I'm saying the finance minister comes to stand there to explain that.
Yes, but Miss Sana Bekoso, Sana is a Koso.
So, and I make her say, yeah, or deliver budgets need ye. On to me, but down, son. It will be the standard. Yeah, I had to say accounting. Yeah, was standard reporting.
Oh no, the kind of
and no better and so omo responsible na train no. Sret near basa actually chiremu. So I'm just trying to say that the expectation that the finance minister should come down for people to understand. No, it won't happen. It won't happen because that's not what's supposed to happen. And yet the person at your friend is saying a crabby no and a target really. But investor community or expect to say or back figures now moment who say Ghana say into the way you know na responsible no me why you need so
your community that alone should tell you say o minor yetimu. Don't ever think say Abainbi has the interest of the ordinary Ghanaian at heart. That is the issue.
At the end of the day, they expect the common Ghanaian to magically understand what they are saying.
So they should listen and do the way. So where say yeah they accept number NCC ejuma wom. So
the question is that do they do it?
The agency is even more can I say malnourished. Yes.
You see, things went
so that is literally that's their job.
Yes.
Yes, see, chi munim said ye free at na no. Or mamba panchere chire. That's how we call them.
And
but
they have different languages.
Yeah.
Way it's not. It's NSH or say Ghana na yetimu no. Aban bia ni ho a Ghana ni na asem ehia no. De ebeboa ma na nya sika. asika ne ye betimi edibi na ya de niyo be gugu paper so aka kire mi so o man ni koye na GDP nam ha na inflation so ate but oba asetena ni mu a bibia ni hono mu a ye kire say bibi koye and for the sake of politics intino de ne ho kire ne kora no obeba radio so obeka say yate banchebo so but okọ marketer na wo su no patch oh madam ade de ne boy de that is on my ye fire ho to ye hu wom so let's just take it like that de bia me kasa Ghana ha mo obi anwene say ebeyeye bompa ye say erade be ma wo so anya abro de ahokire ne ekosoro a be bia standard of living ni bedru no nyame nso ma wo so wo botom nuru ho say de be ya you can live you can meet standard of ba sa obeka say erade Ghana na nioma nye yo nyame ti ase no eye collect bra collect do the politics ne kra de my fan to baby empire na ye bo no e bi bo empire say erade boy you erade huye mobo Ghana ma nye yo ma na enkrofo ku Ghana fo kro na so which say enim be so that the rich and I say the influenced, they can stay there and get people to do yes sir, boss, director, master, yes sir, thank you sir. It's anyway, but mammy did me come for son, I mean, they say I got an comedy.
Every
oh, my be nache. E was a young cock on concerns and the time no crown yet the Ghana for mamma and then so yet Thursday into no dear. Mamma just 2 stories bina young cock. Any mamma for wing to chain. Na mean yet dear a year we nikakra. So this week, na internet and that's why you shake a cra with Yunia Bema DJ KA. DJ KA a presenter. Na yo one you who say ne sex tape abeto internet ne so and the kind of audios and nam ase ne ho enkro ne ba na ama amanfo adwapa but this conversation ne kana ye kana kakra because in a way, not even in a way, a risky. Say you have an intimate moment and you record it yourself. Or recording in the first place no. You should be ready for anything. Enya wo gadget bi so say phone, say laptop, say whatever. What gadget be so nkwane de you have to be ready for whatsoever. Woman say enya when I release it, of course I don't think I'll personally record my sex tape and post it myself or however it is maybe as a post it according to the buy you know Snapchat groups ya e kokoko sui and just a few people private people be any I'm told say as some buy na me ko didi nkomo na me hu say ya de a nkofo ye me snappy me was social media na nyina so ba snap no the only thing I use it for is to take videos asa to chat there see what is going on but a lot of things are going on Snapchat and I'm told say there are some groups are to me created privately and your member din nkomo was so my be a group be a group of 5 group of 3 group of 10 na bibi ebe koso abrabom you know private issues no ma be discuss no ma sere no ma bohunsire he na yeko we so nya ne dia no wo dia ba what I say so initially ni sa na yete say die si ye bi no na ebi obi fa video ni bi because wo sha utimu say screen recorded the ones that was circulated you obi na a screen recorded so it's something that was posted in a group originally and will be a far copy okay and by and wabe patcho say woman said yes you know is very embarrassing idea but it doesn't tell the personality say be or to say or you say. I mean, let's face the fact. Inipa bebre niema, but obi dia na abanti na yeka. But the lesson we are taking from this is, say no social media no. It's me ye bibia. Social media to me say it's me ye we. And yet the kind of because a few weeks time it will die, and of course it will die, but this thing will be on the internet forever. Dachi bi ukobo DJKA. The first thing that will come is a video. So let's be mindful. Will be making comments be say all these years of the media jumeya we ye no. DJKA never got this attention and publicity.
Bad news sells, isn't it?
I'm telling you, when to me nyasa publicity way, any trends way yo, or trending #1 on X.
Wow.
Obia people love him for the high life reviews near you know, but bisa say the rate at which I video a core Nejuma oye which of them na akose that should say something, that should tell you something. It's affecting a bit me affecting Nejuma ne brands a oni omo enante ene nipa kakra bi na beka say oh mfum so wo nipa unti no let ye man in sinko but enye obi a na be ye nti no
ye me say abedwafo beka ho asem kakra because so internet you see ne cyber ne say because my story am tell ni say ni so say then na ekura na mistakenly or the to snap no. Yes, that's what I heard. Inti just akora ni kura phone no na agura we hu no so de to no de to am say nipa me no sa he na hu ye e na chese back screen recording ye no o ya obone o yonko inti e na ahofo bia na de to. I mean that action no enye correct but ususu a inti utiri mu ode sa na opese udi nipa ne bone and again na efa or the saying blackmail hu ne ade ye bebe nti ye be di sa nkomo no say ye nya sa amre ne dia ye be di sa nkomo no nya sa na say budget ne ye be kode ne no I can't say but really okay
there's another one there's a second video as a P.
Wow.
And like
the same two people.
Second video ne dia I'm yet to tap and check.
I am sure.
But people are posting it and it's very bad.
Now you say who post it wrong.
That's what I'm saying. People should stop sharing the video. Stop sharing the video.
Wrong. Offense. Yeah.
So DJK, I mean wherever you are, we hope you've learnt your lessons. Yeah, it's in chain and so yes, you be being free mo. Now let's be more careful with whatever. This is a private issue and all that is not supposed to come out. But aba you know you can be near for to so let me me mindful when sorry.
Okay.
Uko YouTube.
But the apology aba.
Oh yes, I've mentioned it. Apology there we've accepted. Yasum.
And I feel say obey to me so you see na apology no na good. Obey to me you see so e de CC ne brand no. Enti no e was so nya advice e be boa no na e ma ne mboto na rather no e be page no. I cause I mean yes sister lawyer dey bad that day. Who say chese o to me sorry so.
Yeah.
E ma ne ye da so bu ne brand no. Nti say wunya e futuo papa obetumi. I mean yemfo aso say yes ada bi o but enya obey ne day.
Obi a why wounded you can't wound him again.
Exactly.
You can't wound him again.
Exactly.
Fine.
Obey ne day.
My enfa sana adwa kan my enfa sadi we. Mesre. This thing is not far away from anybody. Per adventure, per circumstance. Yeah, e bia to madam for bia and obafo so no no but na nyo no why. This thing is not far away from anybody. And normally the mean say asem to bia aya fine you have to rebuke the person. Now after the rebuke no ɛsɛ ɔhwɛ sɛ nipa no bɛsɔre biom na obi ɔnom a why wokora mpo ɔhwehwɛ ɔdeda no asɛm ase ato nti ɔbɛbɔ apapam kora mu epram da bi it's not far away from anyone.
And social, nobody is immune to
yes.
social.
Yeah.
Obi any who are immune to social.
And another point will be that say I was here more education on blackmail, because usually I have blackmail uncle for I started yeninti na uncle for I omu to me Emma echa intino where ebia ya jini sika ja wabre or say hey ni besi
meeting komo bisa
ebia inti sana first ba yin so ba na so de no me kai say nti omuji intino ye educate hwe asem de ba de bia amasema meka ya no na edika ye mfa sika ntwe intino nya akukuduro why inform so nipa ho nya akukuduro nako police station report it because we encourage you metua
ba ko obetua
no na the moment best ube your first payment it's I didn't ba I you see you should have that way I didn't born no why at all. And in plain who play around the 4 years na no so 4 years 5 years ba be fresh na so what you tum we see your lesson in ngwasembra 4 years ne beba no na adwo but ukura ho a ebeba na afia san benyane enti obi blackmail wa se waye o se wonya ye o wankasa nkofo se so report o homa o mo se bibi say na auto no report o homa o mo answer na face it eye ngwase na ba
face it show mu obi kwa to me cause e commit suicide because of blackmail there be o men fan show mu hwe ewi ase no nyoma bebre woni panim enti ne say ne e na sumadru a emem wo sumnim sorry because we need that so
right
anyway
same say no one aka the last thing I want to mention and issue and person boss no ye interview bi a yenua bema kafu day and Dr. Andrew Kwabena Samoa ANC more owner no founder no omo eyeye na interview na trendy bebre nkofo twetwetwa part bi wo Facebook nti if you can't watch the entire interview you can watch some snippets bia obetimi afa bibia na one side be that's getting people to talk ni issue okoka fasika ho say money is overrated you know or no feel say money is overrated say ye ka say ewiase ade a nipa esa o ma wadwen kra ye more focus your integrity integrity honesty and righteousness enema miensa we no boso na comment section mu sister Abena me kwa na mu say sa generation we me sure say me na me ka kire wo I'm telling you like not even a single comment me hu ye obi ene na ya adwen
wow hey but here integrity
one guy be na beka say se wo dwen ko akira wo se nema miensa na wo kan ye no honesty integrity and righteousness no o ka miensa ne bomu a eni sika na ye pe one person me say that komu na me say hey na generation he ne ene nam yi enkrofo say is because wanye sika enti na okasa money is overrated na say baby a wo hye no se wo hye amena donko bi mu ade wudi kura no eye woden anka be hu say money is underrated
enti wo hye amena donko just enka korea ana ye bi
enti o integrity ne honesty no ahokire be ma wa aye the opposite so you shouldn't say the greatest asset one manipa integrity ni honesty
adwen wo mutrim ntino enti na mokọ na obia ene na da no amaniska na sebio na mmo akrampo form no mu jiska omo put aside integrity omo put aside honesty omo put aside righteousness.
Please, so the honesty and integrity is not going to pay the bills.
Share.
That's the argument. That's the argument.
Comment back by your kind.
In the end, those are what will bring you survival in life. In the end.
Stop now. Obi on ma wanye honest. Na dubious means ejuma mo dubious means no maya no ma wies cabini ade yati bebre national service personnel omo ko institutions mo omo wies ka ni ade bebre omo wies ka no de ko no motoka no yes money is under great anything no eni beba omo so no na fe yakwachi om
yeah
young guy
na abra
isi basa esanse no koredie empie fi baby na so obi on ma wa bra for so many years why honest afi de na edu time e say she na nyama sa ni pa ko no otimi nya dan free ejuma ma otimi yetimi e promote no obi kura timi talk a che no
we can't wait.
Hey, you should.
Yo.
We new generation, you should. You should. Na say na move who.
Ye ni akoma na e be try no.
Abusia for ye try umbra uni akoma o se munya. Na customer service tip wo ho na nka tell ni enko na ye nye yi because I was here ye koton ade ni eba. Why?
Enra ye ka say adwa ye so otimi kai.
Titi an wo ka se wan kai ye ne anko a mra
me kura so wo be ye de ye kai.
Feel free.
All right.
Feel free.
And at the end, me say avoid arguments.
Okay. My any customers argue.
Avoid it.
Yin semano.
Avoid it.
Nyombe can be an yen to me and your adjuma.
Avoid it.
Yin semano.
One avoid it. Say when I say and I when see I no say no be yin semano. At the end of the day, no, won't mean say customer, but wait me I sell company. So avoid it.
Tell any customer service tip for the day. What do you hear that? Says yeah, I can more fun vitamins. Now say Wednesdays near mom training and casa ain't
Wednesday credit tip besenaba.
Ayo, Nina ye, made us OD any svelte lady anti adra. I was here for me and that Lechta company limited that say I am produce yash toothpaste and yash toothbrush. They be America say but it's not honey near to me a casa with confidence. I just say the yash toothpaste and yash toothbrush and HESC. Also for hygienic healthy living, always choose yash toothpaste and toothbrush. Now baby and patro market baby. So when you was a market or a market in your market maka. Into your crown patro for number way 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi Befret 050 139 0338 050 139 0338 ebusa for yen try home run any abeja for any nkomo
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abonti na aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them eh mido edrano pa wutimi to boase echichiwusi o ado na so nimse medi yash toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima minya homka Sentina ye bokoi na me me all-time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush abua me ama sesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfie fem me biem na won kasa me si aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and me di hwimisi entina wo se efe na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, any Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, e was 050-161-9588.
Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abajaso, ababoy.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyakupundi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawu Hoda. A Yagada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanusia. Fawudani na Sheradens. Na erade beye.
Long life. Yeah, we ship mama long life with good health. Auntie Madam Eva Jiman of USA, Suffolk and Tanka, and the entire family, they say happy birthday. I picture hey, ask me. Picture no. Hey, mommy of her life. Wow. Auntie Madam Eva Jiman of USA, happy birthday, Effie, Suffolk and Tanka, and the entire family. Almost say long life with good health. Yedanya say ma wa brabo. Abeja for Alande. Uncle ne do her festivity. I mean, David. Asama me come on mainland.
Men chen kra who no face. Ka say who yemi ni na yin na e wa. Sompa.
And what audio queen you
delight. And one of person make.
Wecha. Ye mama kwaba. Na budget review no because so anesa. It is a man for atna say ye be train finance minister no aba naija. Wabe can't nasem or the betu jani aheni ebefa. Ako akwaba.
Yena.
Bibi aboko je.
Oh, Yankopon ado.
There.
And I no man dement me man fanche.
Eh.
Na ibu no kakra bi o fie na na. Ya Ghana for the time or so about 9 o'clock. If you go be one na me ba ha na fie na. Omo ba so tumi nya omo ho. So mo nya ho tum fanche me.
Yeah, they are show. Enti and I make no budget no. Ye be ready. No expectations.
I'm say so far make us say ye minister and I say the one in charge of finance no so far make us say why are they
okay
with me it make sure say the economy in terms of inflation stabilize it as I hear can you single digit which is for me it's okay. People will say it is not reflecting in our pockets, but the truth they say aban oni hosa oba be chesika aban wo hosa oba be moderate sene be ya ne awuye bia no benya so mfaso inti no. That is one thing that we should be clear about. Secondly, yebeka say you expect to say at least some of the taxes no yebema na ba from kakra sene yebema nkofo kakra ewo omaimu. But we are wishing him all the best in what he has for the masses in terms of Ghanaians. And adeba kwa me debe soso ne say budget ne be wi a in as much as ye nya nkrofo church mu no eya na intumi nko to the grassroots inti me pese nke aban be and Crawford more expertise that aspect in terms of communication. Now you to me break it and near down ama the populates send a bay be a betiasie because entiasie and a man Crawford who say aban ya dear and I say aban enya dear inti make us say aban yes sans in shisheno yes sir will be a betiasie where also tria tax no now we tria because I'm now osha Ghana nka yɛbɛwɔ sika paa o, but the brackets
tax
na sika wɔ no, Aban is not doing anything about that particular sector because the retailers any adeno ohoni sika wɔ hɔ paa. Sa Aban eji 1 cedi po, just an example, from everyone a month. I want you to see the amount of sika Aban betumi enya de aye roads. Na so obi ntina baby emfa gu ne bottom a. Aban can do a lot of things. Inti meso meka kire omo ye adwuma ma Ghana fo nyina say Ghana fo na apa won say won be di enkan na won hwe ennioma a eye Ghana dia so. Yes, ennioma na ye Ghana dia. Inti emfa won sambo sikemu endi because sika na nya wo dia. Nyawo sika e wo kwan pa so. Na ye gidi say wo yesa no. Nyankopon.
As for tax brackets, dear, nkomo a yedi uncle.
Ohi bi na obi na no kro bi so. E na okotro de ka chi say obiara nya obiara. E na ohi ne bae. So on pepe free ho okoye otro say dada no a. Yo kan dada no a.
So asesa no.
Dada no a.
Asesa ntinsem na.
No kan do say dada no a. They say ya pay to go road will be hands to multiply by the decades of the revolution to enhance our social economic. Yes, just because it's, I can't just say.
You can't think
sometimes. And none on that. Kumasi mayor, baby, obi ame bona baso. Railway station, koko kopam, krofobi or I get to. Ne enkwala brim, oko tram bridge this so. Now we say if you tackle they back. I did fish. I did team out. It was so nice. Train station. You get train at the end. And I go to my market when I did to don't be no. It's a choke. So Oma no I who be a year. It's way here. They say dada noa. Dada noa.
Na creative art side honey.
Oh.
Nia omo ka se futu bi abane ade ade.
Ah say you hu hwe. Enti no. Abandon born home modern. I mean, so buy in the credit, $1 no. That's so, but it's reflecting in the pocket. Then my name more normally the month of May, June, July, Ghana, if any towns any more than, but this time no, it's gone beyond. Oh no, unfortunately, I don't want one boy cry. Friday about the 29th of you have a ceremony yet. So kind you go, you know. So they are quite sure they say no, that I know. I mean, who yeah,
yeah, heard you over the baby. Yeah, proper quemun, ya momo, a papa, no to me about the castle and the 80. Now, young comoso. Eja, some party lights. Now, of our boss, some party lights, man.
Some ice delight.
Ice. Anyway, Auntie Mama Kwaba, it's always exciting to sit with you. Auntie, I mean, before you record in Koma, I mean, stories I share pono. Na who say DJ KA ne videos be circulate na ahom te asefem but eja enyaba na ye can want some concert time and adwa de buy. And I mean, I was even saying to me who Uncle Fred supposed to be, I said bars on bars. Na
we
sister na over there
DJ Kafra
and now ba mechi ube fa mechi. I was here for me say hano inside no money na yeah the bramo anyway tia boy enkomo I will see DJ Kaura Kafra
DJ Ka
na onem asem no areho asefem ahomte neti ame pikia mama messages ne say I want us to educate and I say advice amount for you know first of all intimacy say no ehun here recording ana then na ebe pushiwa ma aka say me recording fan to ho you know enti no yentu fu bi was aside no that's number 1. Number 2 gadgets ebia ye de be ma unim say enkora di agro wo so ne ade eye de na wo expose bibisa e masa akora because nkora aba no omani I mean omo explore pa obetumi akọ baby a wo nhunu wo phone mu kura in split seconds na wa hu bibi nti wonim se wo de phone no enye wo nko a wo dia na se wo ni akora wo tumi de ma akora di nti na wo keep wo ho na again wo phone betumi asɛ ya makodi repair ho Emma wadwini phone ni so nti ne se bibi sa saved wo so a how is it that so easily accessible say ebetumi akwa abontin nti yentufu na yewie kura na ne kura no na yensan entufu about blackmail ni ade you know so me money nyina na eja mo eja ego nti ne why na sha say reverend anawa
all right so ne di kind no meka say me bo ye brother abaso
okay
say wetumi abe pacho wa pa public chow ne France chow said ne oyeye no wanye ni yi nti mebo na baso but me pese me sha see free baby
okay
one who say o recordo a consensual video in Ghana no enye crime but enye bribia me too before make catch and say onye sa de no the reason they say e was a lot of risk ewechi wo kwa record video wi enioma bibie wechi e wo say wutumi hwe say sa niama no betumi aye den esi ne edikan wo betumi lose wo privacy ye kasa obi lose ne privacy ananka ne ananka wo ne obi koye ya wo bo ho ban no abeda bedwem obi ehu ne a wakoye ema eno nso no eba sa na etumi ma eniwo bi eba wo so enya wo pew moye mienu na moye sa de no the consent was between both of you make us me two for make us mama onye sa de no but at the end of the day no a free me phone so epie no ama me privacy me lose me privacy and I won so na wo kan ho a ma that consent no wo so we lose your privacy and sometimes one say danger woman say enkrofo bebre nim say sometimes no mo phone so kra no mo Gmail was so cloud any ade e was so once in a while it can be a day, it can be 5 days, it can be this once in a while no it to me and one kasa to me upload call cloud so
okay
inti se bibi sa ko talk cloud so kai who say what store there but obi betimi anya wo password obi betimi anya wo information na odi atwe saade ne epie saade ne pie pe we lose wo privacy and it is one of the dangers wow and sometimes so be hwa na me no na ye saade no but wo di ama wadanfo bi say chale hwe ne na ekoso me name is sweetheart now it is a non-consensual agreement na woni nipa ko na ma with regards to the next party na or ye involved on your third party or a main party involved in the whole thing
okay
but woni madam fu me ne madam fu a share third party and the main person in that party on ye aware inti no e basa na sa die we no ye be friend no revenge porn Sani ni din e wo ba cyber security space na that is it your friend revenge porn na sa revenge porn di e wo layers e wo e ma bibia e friend trust efrim inti no nimpa woni ne ye sa de no there's no way you betumi akasa oye den or trust will for what you did because one it was without permission and ani pe kono hono so no the question I will be say nimpa wo de ma no e den no de beye obetumi akɔhye ono so obia wa adamfo bia na adamfo no so wa adamfo one time bi sa nkwala bi who is your best friend and not true me mom true din no and I me call nimpa ye choose no as best friend no ono en choose no as best friend which means obia wa ne best friend
exactly
into your one best friend no sa best friend ni betumi ayeden ate na sa best friend ne tia what happens ne say wo ye ne tamfo a ono so tumi ma the fourth person na ade no air spread it ana yanti ase say e ba no internet e koto ba ku say even WhatsApp so the to so a o ye even delete for all at that time now who be delete for all no
na
obi savior Sunday o save Sunday ye pe that delete for all was not for all that thing still exists and another thing so a blackmail encrofo use and your friend be sextortion wo dey extort be free e ho na be kwa koduru se sa video no pia obi a otan wo betimi a start a catch-all and a one mama say sike yi a me de beto abonten usro ni nti no wa manifest one na etoso no de toaso wo yesa omo be yi usike nyina edi. I have seen a lot of individuals in such problems at the end of the day no enya nyame na ebe mu na yetumi yi free wa na ye Sunday warning so toaso a nke be san surface biom but you see there is an act in Ghana, a Cyber Security Act, no. A trial will say when you share without consent, now ubetimia condemn between 1 year to even 1 year to 15 years. Into a honor was said, "Omo share the video no. Make rani on one. In the first place, no make Cyber Security Department. Now my report it. So report here. What happens? Nessa say what Twitter, what Facebook. Whatever platform will be no cyber security for betimi amaye until you limit that aspect and almost sign so block it until that thread becomes a negative thread until be for fraud be to subia video bia or number or ID be bia wo de beto wonyom video whatever it is bia or ID until be bia wo de be call online bia no ID wo ho na sa ID na ewo ho no ebe ma ye hu se Abena wo video bi ba me ho na se me share ne eba ne se se me share wo video na se ye trace a de betimi trace to the phone a share not only that to also the place I share obi a mobile phone IP wo so nti yam fa ne se me betna ha na me frɛ Abena sesia baby Abena wo any baby am frɛ you know it is noted on the network system of the way because must dey adwuma it me gina ha IP address ni ye me phone and na baby am gina no so your location ye betumi ehunu enu nti na say e bia wo phone kra yera metumi trace ye behu baby am phone no wo no because yes settings na won ye kra na they will be able to know Ghana na yewo problems sa network providers no and na procedures na sometimes go police station any ade ya nkrofo eja e chiridi but udi echiri a ye wia o phone na wo betumi age ne back udi echiri a wo bi e yira bi utumi je ne back afei so another thing etumi ba efri mu emotional and mental harm Abena wo yesa no wo de torture bi atu sani pakono and this one for example atu your brother it can be so for the rest of his life de bia obesu ho de bia obedwene ho and Abena do you believe and know says some people have committed suicide because of eniwo and this is bad Abena another thing I wish to me by a career and education would be to me losing a career you may be crabbe to me aka say ye pamo school be betimi aka say ye pamo because who say omudino e won ne awaye ni mu na Abena also wo ba ebusua mu a wo de eni wo bi abebusua because you as an individual you are not an island wuti ebusua bim ufi ebusua nti wo ye den a wo di eni wo bi abrebusia no mama ngina wa ha na me brother and faka kranto aso ye besan abemu biem a lot of things
that's reverend and nti e na beginning no caution necessary enka I mean wo penny say mamu record the
at all mamu nye
Matthias say ye ma of amrem na fe of
say you baby say abrefi busumfo abrefi busumfo ona o se say o kiri aburo na o say kiri enwo eso di aprapransa
and then ya brefi bozombe
no ka o chia broni enwo bato di aprapransa
and so e di aburo
and na ngusu wom
e dira gede e ma ko so bo phone mi so be adwatira ko hwe ho di ye guy yan ho aso bayi so few days ago he was on air pontificating holiness. Say girl be our say as omakokasa tia President Mahama no yemfa ne ntum na no ka ho setana ne de eti asante body say onua yi kan hu say oyonko da no da ukoto say oyonko da da mu a insa no ho nko fi so that chibi no maybe oda no. Why would somebody record sex or adwemboni then on metro whole day and then they are afraid that I know a penny with 20. You see, we are so hypocritical. We training we was again for the rest of I did I say many na me mami adeja.
Yeah.
Adeja yes be akata so ya bia mu e can say graphic.
Asiba na make can say no focus no obeba ne so no oba no am say jama ye hye kan asem
say oba no trauma
exactly
one way aware kra be no kan ne ko ba be ware be ko fie ko busa ko busu man ade o ye wa ye ne ye but o see onto boma no nche say me ko chemi no we ko have sex and be try video sex there yakopo de man everybody will have it and remember procreation number. But quite of course, somebody who sits on radio. Because I said that Lumba Wuye, the 1 week, I was in charge of the music. Obejam so as a kinchina was what to that Lumba. The man of council man to no because Ukrainian over the program no a come or bond on no in fact I must be honest. What I could in Mika. Who teach so teach church and more. Obi said that's a lot of people to no more. So when Tim was in a year on who he's able to na according to one me the me sister my ba on say yeah the two ho no o me radio baby o me radio hwan get a call for internship na suddenly tie happen people who go to they take advantage of their vulnerability no I say near man for you know the lady want to be popular or something of that sort
say no kwa na boa na ma ba app
so anyway yadi sa July be a wodi amanfo yi na fun fe ko kan ya o si ayi na do 4 years there is no time limit for you but yet time limit be 4 years but the number na and then amanfo abai wakwa record mo Snapchat na wa we yi o da de kwa koto pa last bi na mo bathroom na me dware yi ko Facebook live me nye bi da nya ngata change some Facebook you come on live and I call live I said what can that's the radio station be ni TV and I call live I said the yin any dia and I call pray baby na na yi mo hakakra na ekoto how na me do no ti sika bi trage ye ni ma nhwe na da ha ka fe chebensa kama da je nyina egu abontin ho o fetwe no according to yi no okọ Snapchat and I come here on a koto and unfortunately no follow na ko wusa the number this time to abam for what it to wa say message ni ya na screenshot it would delete ya screenshot no me na e wo ho say that na better kind no o share social media mpanyifo mu die so sem bi o market kan ni bi o maye ni play back and air time enye fe that one to no to obun say ade obi nyan kan manye ese akola no nko fichi wako abakọ no chede de beche wo ade mfa ncho say se bekam I don't have any eyi eti ye de chew de mom utebua no matter how ba I said don't say hwe from me ho I have apologize na man for beti but usuman he will lose certain trust from people so kwa we say no e ma bebre na get back ko bekina say wo je say me minimum for no e na e dey na do enyo yi I do make factory no atwini mi no agyan pu sa ade akosa offer
na o kana kwa yes ma de nkwa fichire wa kwa abo
na phone message phone na training me it ma bra bo me hwem ye me perfect na mum me pese be come anim ye be perfect be de me ho ase wa be to ho can me be for me ho because so you na me nya go and see the report and yes obo exaggerate say bia me ho but eye ne ya efiri me nkwala abremu a unu say chemen sa be hate obi a eso no nche say me nkwala abremu ma ni bad da o yakope ma da
say na wo de bia out na haka
fan boys you see so 17 18 ho okay kawo oni anja say not one girl one two girl fam na baby do baby na you worry yes da bi yɛntumi nkɔ sɛ nneɛma no wie ɛti sɛ wofi go back na ɛyɛ kora yɛ ma amanfoɔ koraa ɛnhu na mmom de wakɔfa camera ɛde asi wo so twa side twa feeling ka DJ ka uroke kafra why baby
Ofa mama yemfa the issue of blackmail etumi ba was a situation ni mu no me release ni ade a mama yentufu kakra because mostly nkofu for the victim osuro ferry to say that wo kesa brante obegina radio so ka say ni nti no me fan say obi ka share ni say wa mama iska say ya meye yi abi obehwe na sika no a build this to an amount on to me biom ebi kura to me wie ska ene esi omu wie ska enkora especially say bi akora bi da na asem bi ato sa na nti mo yenka bibi na omu
sometimes say na blackmail no say all threaten no say or private BBP. Why BB can betumi aba say enye sex pe. BB someone can blackmail you with even a conversation. One won per se e call abonte. Now normally when some yes ade na sometimes no de pe usika. And now say property. And now say favor bi. Enye no pe sometimes will be cry to me blackmail for sex.
No say
or say one mama me no one yes say ya mema akode di say abna enyoma bebre e koso wo oman mu ne society any baby abrochire nyina sa niama na koso na say uye an individual na say uhu say obi ba be blackmail wa na uhu o suspect say ni pakono e blackmail wa or catch yourself fesikabra mama ni unye say anyesa mempne mekwa akoka ne a wo say wudi kan ye ne say ko cyber crime unit na ko report eto ho
okay
nimpako na nya yet as soon as nimpako na be ye pe no wasan ya akọ report biom ye be chi no
okay
ye chi no wie a emra ne bedi nti say all pe say odi ubone no ono abedi ne ho bone akoda prison
okay remember mama so cyber crime unit no na we hin police station
police station police for was cyber crime unit
okay
nti
police station
police for oko police station bia enya omu nyina na ewo that section no but they will recommend say obeko the unit na nkasa most of the times no omu baako police headquarters what they wasem kodam they are very experienced people omo no be kasa yie na omo aboa o na wetumi e free saa de nemu nti entwen na obi ndi usa abone no e na se obi po aye usa na se ode abeto internet provider bi so na se social media bi so a nia wo be ya na se wo ko report wi a wo the handles ni nyina be ka ho they will do a follow up and make sure say ye free ho now fei omo follow up with the IPR ade no wow but the danger here is this ebinum a omo yes ade no mu di bone no omo use VPN virtual private server ede yes ade say na be ya won't mean locating IP address but still police for betumi ehu
okay
nti I know there obe feel say we dwane nso undwane police for betumi ehu no more you nti the first thing I was so yan say obi ya osa pe corner report no en China enkwechi and sana why you
ma ba kupo
dabi first na de no ko
because usually I na first one na ahopopo na eyi
exactly
unti na wuso un say I mean frosters na de no working with fear so obo fear ni two musa fe wu ni aye ho na why confused exactly. The first thing is reporting bone ni there where the
bone no enye siewie go and report or report here there is protection for you and in person yes ade no ye be ye we now ni also call reporting and hu sunsan so wo ho a and also ye de be ma wo se ne be ya aye minimal un sei sika nsan so nko fisi mra
exactly Uncle Fred what did be best also
Uncle
Fred
so be ye be sa say ye most la no be on ransom and I say on person no just can be for extortion ti ko so be chara bo abra bobu aba hwe se ni ma no ana wonya se yi ni free wa na fe currently you nya baba kon no me aba dopu no ko atema na wan o ma ya pe so be di na mama brown so be bam ni ma un say it's crazy she say ene kra no nya obi ani unu obi kra e kasa da hima ti bi ka obi ase so unu obi di nkoma afo bi obi fro abna so abna ye careful o what other say ba ko ni gina ho do to speaker is say ni mani nyina no enya de o eti
e wo ho up to e particular random no she say oye above a particular rank and obi timi agilize
but when I make the devil for be omu enim
exactly
enti aso we can say you hwe say ni mani ye say yete ho ye record obi without the person consent near the baba to social media we go to social media no e ho wan say bebre e betimi ya man pakro no krokun ho that is the last bit and pakro mo betimi aye betimi say pakro na djuma the nkutadie ni adade o abusuam ni the society nyina it can really be bad
erade mwa but obi amane ni na ho because ehu hia
very
ehu hia papa me ye ma homte say oba no po no a enam ne so na apio nsuso hwe ono so kra na hwa wo mu enti ne yenhwe na se ne abudwafo ka no report say first time na ye beka obi be yet so blackmail na report say ne say school for mo ye school for kra na mo wo school dem na say obi wo mate person yesa kona kwa chese wo headmaster wo headmistress wo kona kwa main suro kra reporting tem say dey be menga say oh me kra so anyway ma menye birthday we intentem na e say finance minister shase ye ready so obeba enti ma me wa shase kra ne sa enti madam Shirley awutie yen happy birthday enti ye da wasesa abribia wutie yen na e was say switch ne ekotie finance minister enti abejafo me namase mo ya de pa ebusuafo Sompa delight and I de brebo na samre no e be se ba ko tie finance minister